How to fix the Smart Life app when it's not working. So here are a few things you can try. First, completely close the Smart Life app. Then reopen it and see if restarting the app fixes the issue. If that doesn't work, go to the Google Play Store and search for the Smart Life app. Once you find it, make sure there are no pending updates. Keeping the app updated is important because updates often fix bugs and improve performance. Also, make sure your internet connection is stable. A weak or unstable connection can cause the app to stop working properly. If the problem continues, go to your device settings, then open the Apps section. From there, search for the Smart Life app. The exact layout may vary depending on your device, but once you find it, tap on it and scroll down to Storage. Next, tap Clear Cache. After that, tap Clear Data and confirm by pressing Delete. Keep in mind that you'll need to log back into your account after doing this. If the app is still not working, the last thing you can try is reinstalling it. Go back to the Play Store, uninstall the Smart Life app, then install it again. This fully resets the app and often fixes persistent issues. Once the installation is complete, open the app and log back into your account. Those are a few effective ways to fix the Smart Life app if it's not working. I hope this video helped you. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more helpful content like this.